Hey, how's it going? I'm Enrique, artist and illustrator. Today we're going to go over how to draw Sonic versus Mario. And what we're going to do is we're going to make them a Christmas version. It's going to be very, very simple. If you're a beginner, stick around for the whole video. I have a little surprise at the end. Thank you so much. Let's jump right into the lesson. All right, let's get into Mario and, Sonic. Obviously, Christmas Mario. So, let's start with Mario on this side first, and then we'll go to Sonic, all right? So, first thing I'm going to do with Mario is I'm going to start that brim of the Christmas hat. And it's going to be a little different than the other verses. They're going to be at a 3/4. So, let me show you. Going to go right here and start the brim of the Christmas hat. It's just going to be this zigzag line. Right there. Going to go around here the front. Zigzag up. Right there, you're making essentially this kind of like, the volume really is like a square. We're talking about the brim of the Christmas hat. Right on. Okay, you got the brim of the Christmas hat on Mario's head. And now we're going to go down here, and we're going to do the side of the head right there. Curve down for the side of the head. Going to go over here. Circle. Right there. Line over here. For the eyebrow. Here for this eyebrow. Over here on this side for this eyebrow. So you got that one eyebrow on each side. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to line down for the eye. Curve over here for the rest of the eye. Down here. And I'm going to draw a little line right there for the kind of the bottom of that eye. You can kind of see the other eye on the other side, but we're not going to fully, you're not going to fully see it. So I'm going to curve over here. I'm going to go right here from this side, and I'm going to pull up for the mustache. Curve. 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 Curve right here. Down. Curve. Curve for the hair, kind of sticking out the side right there, underneath the hat. Curve back. Gonna do like a C shape right here for the ear. Pulling down over here for the bottom of the face. Curve down to the chin. Over here, I'm going to find the other side of the face. He's got like a very round face. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, click the bell notification if you haven't. I'm going to do a lot more kind of Nintendo, a lot of Nintendo stuff. Curve over here for the ear. Curve over here. Line right here for that lower portion of the lip. Circle for the inside of the for the iris. Curve here for the iris. Circle. Circle. Dot. Dot. You have a little bit of the hair sticking out the back. Right there on that side. He has a little bit of hair. Gonna go over here now. I'm gonna pull up over here on the Christmas hat. A little bit flat at the top because it's folding over. Gonna go over here. Pull in. Down. Curve around there. Line. Line for the suspender. Line over here. Line over here for the suspender. Underneath curve. Underneath curve. Circle. Circle. curve right here, line down, line over here, line over here, line over here. You have kind of, we're going to vignette him right there as well. So he's kind of like just standing there, kind of like, so we want to fill in this mustache. The reason we want to do that is it's going to give a lot more weight to the drawing. And I'm going to maybe put a little line at the top for some shine. And then fill in the rest of the bottom completely dark. Let's take a little break real quick. Playing with these action figures. So who do you think would win in a fight, for reals? Like Sonic or Mario? I mean, I think Sonic, personally, I think Sonic is faster. He can get to him and hit him. I know they play this out in Smash Brothers a whole lot, but anyways, just my opinion. If you disagree with it, let me know in the comment section. Let's jump back into the video uninterrupted. Right on. Let's go over here to Sonic now. Sonic's gonna have like his own kind of look over here. So we got Mario, we got Sonic over here on this side, the Christmas edition, I guess. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve along for the bottom Sonic's mouth. Looks like a squash or something. And then right out of here, I'm going to have the nose stick out, which is a kind of like a hot dog shape. Circle right here. Fill it in. Down here, pull down, up. Curve down over here. Pull up. Curve up over here. Curve down. Over here at the top, downward right there for curve for the top of the eye, curve for this eye, and now we're gonna have him looking at Mario, right? Because it reverses. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw like a U shape right there, and then another U shape coming from this. His eyes look like U shapes, and they're like looking right at him. Line over here for the mouth. I'm going to pull a line up a little bit for the top of his head, but it's going to run into the Christmas hat. Right there. Zigzag right there. Thinking of the same volume, kind of like a square sitting on top of his head, like a fuzzy square. That's kind of the way I think about it. Line over here, back, line over here, up. You got two spikes sticking out right there. Curve right here for the stomach. Line right here for the arm, and he's got like a discoloration on the belly there. So again, it's vignetted out. Up. Flat across the top. Don't forget to hit the like button, by the way. Curve up here. Down. And zigzag right there for the ball. Kind of like falling behind himself over there. And then one more spike right here for the back, as far as what we can see. So it's Mario versus Sonic Christmas. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget it. Don't forget to say hi and share the video for the holiday season, and I'll see you next time.